Okay, today we're going over this. It has two 1 terabyte hard disks. It has a 256 gig SSD, 32 gigs of DDR3, which quite expensive today in this terms. I guess even DDR3. It's at 1600 megahertz. This is a i7 4th gen. I want to say it's from Haswell. Should be way more than powerful. Let's get right into it though. Okay, so now we're here in TrueNAS, just to show you. Got 900 gigs. Both drives are in a mirror, 2 wide. We could have ran them both single, but they're 2 hard drives. We just wanted them a little bit faster. Just supposed to be a little network drive. We have twin gate set up so that we can access it remotely anywhere. We will show you the... As you see, it can really spike. Temperature's fine. Average load. This is just the new gold eye. This is TrueNAS Community. They've updated it recently. It's the i7-4790 with 32 gigs of memory. It's using ZFS caching. We can run virtual machines and apps on here. Some of the apps that are available. Yeah, so we can run AI and stuff like that on this side. We really aren't going to. But what we are going to do today is, for example, we're going to copy a 30 gig game right over the network, right onto our drive. But it just is two hard drives, so it's bouncing right between 60 to 70 megabytes per second. Which for the rest of you that use megabits, it's like 560 megabit a second. It's not horrible. It's more than fast enough. So 30 gigabytes, only 6 minutes to transfer that much. That's amazing. Especially over the network, because we're wireless right now. We're not over Ethernet, no nothing, just Wi-Fi 5. So this is about 2-3 minutes later now. See, it's 40% done. It says about 5 minutes. So I guess we'll say probably about 10 minutes in total to probably finish it, like all together. Okay, been about 8 minutes in total now. Sitting at 85% complete. Looking pretty good at me for an old office PC. Those drives right now probably aren't that cheap, even though they're only 1 terabytes. But you can probably pick up this whole setup for $200. Honestly, right now. And I mean, it's well worth it. It won't run much more, but storage server for sure. Jellyfin, just like the N150 did. Or your Minecraft server. Okay, it's finished now. That was 9 minutes and 51 seconds to move a compressed 30 gigabyte file. I think that's perfectly fine to me. And let's just log in with our login right here. You know, if I type in the right password, it'd be great. Now we're gonna go ahead to report. CPU usage set at about I don't know, it looked like full utilization to me. But here's what really matters. The temperatures. They spiked up to 30? That's actually not bad. I mean, not bad at all. I'm like really surprised. It stayed cool. The drives we got up to, it says only 30 megabytes a second. Oh, it's megabytes. Oh, there you go. 40 degrees Celsius on our drives, and that's it, guys. Did pretty good. Let's see if I can stream games over the network. Okay, so now we're downloading the game remotely. So this is to the server. I know it's a very small game, but yeah, it took 1 second to install. That's it. Just have to verify files. And I mean, even that read speed over the network was still 200 megabytes a second. No, it's never like super ideal, and it is wireless, but you know, when you're on a laptop like this, you don't have all those extra ports, and this can be accessed anywhere in the house. So here, let's boot the game over the network. Okay, so now we're in Muck. Probably, you know, whatever, the easiest game ever, but I just turned everything all the way up. Actually, I guess we don't even need to for a network test. Let's go back. Let's start a game. Okay, we're in the game here. Oh, my mouse ain't working. Alright, bro. Okay, so we're in the game now. As you see, everything's loading fine. Oh. Bro's attacking me and I just started. Oh yeah, look. Game runs fine. There's the boat. No problems. Other than this bird. I might die, guys. I think I died. This is like the worst possible spawn. That's all I'm saying. Oh. You're not a fish. Let's try that again. You know, start it back up. Hopefully we don't get a dinosaur spawn. And video. You know, let's do unlimited FPS just because we can. Too bad this game doesn't have like a you can show. Yeah. But I will say, doesn't have like a you show it. See, we're gonna go run and grab a rock real quick. Now, I'm not saying like there are some more. Like, there's games that'll be way more demanding on the hard drive or your storage media. But as you can see, it works more than fine here. No stutter from it. Hardware is already not great, but works fine. So yeah, as you can see, you can play games over the network just fine. We are over here for Muck. As you see, the property file, it is on our external drive on our network for our true NAS, so it ran great. So as you guys can see, you should probably, more than likely, get a very cheap NAS server that's used. Get a few drives and set it up so that you can access it from anywhere. So have a good day. Bye.